Ka Sorkar jela kala Pynkhreh ban siew depno ekibil ba sahteng ki bakot palat khandai spa klur tingka shaki kontraktor ki ba pentre ka skim Jal Jeevan Mission JJM ha ka jela. Haba pentip yakani ha ka khandai trik yayong Umintri katanat Public Health Engineering PHE Umarkus and Marak Ulaong kibil ba sahteng jungi kontraktor ki ba pentre ya ka skim JJM ki kot palat khandai spa klur tingka Henry ka jing Pynkhreh ban siu dap no ya pisa kan sas dang no shen hadin bala pendam ya ki jing don kam baro nilaya soy ya ka MOU ban pentre kam ya ka skim JJM 2.0 ya baro ki project bala pendap hapdeng hanyo pesan hadu shispa percent on siu ya ka pisa hadin bala pendap ya ki jing don kam ki badai ban le ong umarkus haba benrap bakatanat kalaya syakman hakabaya day bat ki kam ki badai ban pendam Umintri ulabatai baka jing penslam ban siu kadai namar ka jing ham ban pendap ya baro ki kindon balabo dakatanan Jal Shakti ka Sorkar India kintup ka jing pen bet renti ya ka jing pen lun bar ka jing shna ya ka sujal gaung ID na ka benta kawai pa kawai ka project kito ki project ki bala pendap hapdeng nyo pesan hadu shispa pesan ya ki jing pen bet halor ki jing pen don la dap ban le dakatanan ka sujal gaung ID kadang yat menta pat shen ngin salak ban pendap no ong umarkus ha kabaya de bat ki jingken no baki don tang ki pai kalam dapun pai umintri ula ong bakani ka day namar ki telong bat ka jingbam pat pendap ya ka project habakular bana kalyang ka Sorkar kan shimkya halor kani
As you are aware that we have signed an MOU for JJM 2.0. So now the implementation will be based on that JJM 2.0 MOU signing. Now, all the projects which have been completed 75 to 100% and single villages, they will be given payments once the office procedure is completed. The procedures which require for payments, the department is already doing it, and they're almost completing the process. These processes are very mandatory because Government of India, Ministry of Jal Shakti has mandated that processes. So therefore, it's taking some time, but it will be done. It's basically it's 2.0 because the JJM 2.1 is the main one, which all the projects which have been approved and sanctioned will be completed through implementations and all. And basically 2.0 is a continuation of the project mission that was carried out and it was not completed, so therefore the completion will be met necessary. So therefore this is 2.0, and there are certain points which Government of India has already stressed on. Those are operation and maintenance. So this operation and maintenance part is a very humongous task, I would say. Sustainability of the project, sustainability of the sources are the issues. Those are stressed by the Government of India. Yeah, pending bills, as I have already said, they have stressed for the reconciliation of these expenditures. Those projects which have completed 75 to 100%, those reconciliation process have already been done by the department. Those are the certain conditions which Government of India was wanting, and department has already worked on that reconciliation of the expenditures. And then the creation of a Switzerland ID. For each project, the Switzerland ID was need to be created. So for that matter also, we have already completed for 50% of the projects. Switzerland ID is on the process now. We'll be completing almost all the projects for creating of Switzerland ID. We pending is more than 900 crores now, but the process of payment will start very soon after completion of all the procedures that I have already mentioned to you. See, there are certain reasons for that matter. Some of the projects, though pipe have laid down, but then project have not been completed. The works are on going on, and some of the projects, as you are alleging that though pipes are laid already, but then no water means, maybe the sources issue. There we are working on it. And some of the projects which need to be owned by our communities, we have already sensitized our communities, BWCs, and we have been requesting them time and again that we need to take responsibility of those projects which have already created for every villages. So therefore, these are the issues which need to be addressed and which will be addressed.